Hello beautiful and welcome back to my channel. And to this video that's going to be a bit of a collab. A bunch of us ladies are saying bye-bye to Blushtribe because Blushtribe is closing down. So I did this fun, easy, very quick look with a bunch of Blushtribe palettes, and this is basically going to be me touring you through that look. If you haven't been here before, hi, my name is Angie. I am a lover of fashion and makeup, especially colorful ones. So if you want to inject some more color into your timeline, experimenting with some new brands and products and colors, I would love to see you subscribe. I do upload several videos a week. Okay, it's been quite some time since I did a tutorial. A bunch of us ladies wanted to do a bit of a farewell tour to Blushtribe, so I used a bunch of their palettes today in this video. I have so many Blushtribe palettes. I think I owned... Have I tried all of them? There might have been one or two that I missed, but you know that I've been such a fan of Blushtribe. I love her play with colors. She always has such a good eye for putting colors together in palettes. I've really been enjoying playing with her palettes. She is closing down her brand. She is selling out the last of her stock. When she was closing down, I didn't really know what her plan for the future was, but she has let us all know now that she has decided to start a new brand. I think that sometimes, you know, you never know why, but you just feel like it's time to move on, and maybe that's how she felt. Maybe she felt like she was done with Blushtribe and she wanted to move on to something else, and who am I to disagree? I will miss a couple of the Blushtribe palettes though. My absolute favorite is this one. Let me show you. My absolute favorite is this one, the Hasina 2. This was one of my yearly favorite palettes. I truly enjoy the Hasina 2 so much. It's gonna be a shame that it's no longer available, but hopefully she'll come out with something really fun in the future. Don't forget to check out the other ladies down below. I know they're gonna create some really fun looks as well. I wanted to show you something super easy and super quick. So I did this very quick and very easy eyeshadow tutorial, only using 2 colorful matte shades and then a bit of black and a bit of white. I want to show you that sometimes bright and fun can be easy and it can be quick. You don't need 1,000 different eyeshadows. This is an all matte look, and this could be done with 2 matte eyeshadows of any color. 2 matte blues, 2 matte purples, 2 matte yellows, maybe even like a matte red and then a matte pastel like pink would be so pretty. So it doesn't really have to be the same color either. It's basically just built around the principle of having one dark matte and one light matte. So it doesn't have to be bronze. It could be colors as well. So I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. Don't forget to leave some comments down below and let's just get into it. Okay, oh my god, it's so messy behind me. Thank god that it's blurry so you can't see that. And I forgot to put my ring on. I'm not even wearing a bra. Just got out of the shower, my hair is wet, I'm drinking coffee. It's a morning, okay? it's a morning and a half. It's actually this is filmed on Thursday the 21st, when you're like, I think I'm putting this up on Saturday and it's filmed on Thursday. This is actually a holiday in Sweden, so I'm not going to work today, so I'm just chilling a bit and doing my makeup. I'm gonna be using these 3 palettes, not necessarily because these are my favorite Blushtribe palettes, but because I wanted to do something green and I wanted to do something really easy. Just showing you how you can very easily get a fun look that you can wear out and about if you don't have a lot of time. I'm gonna start with the Paulina palette. This is the collaboration between Blushtribe and Paulina, and I'm gonna use Sigge, which is the name of her dog, and I'm gonna use that in my outer corner. So like I said, this is gonna be something very easy. Where is my cleaner? Sometimes I feel like people think that having colorful makeup is like hard or takes a lot of effort. It doesn't have to take a lot of effort. It can be super easy. So I'm putting this in my outer V, and I'm doing like a little, like you see, like a little triangle in, and I'm putting a little bit in my crease as well. Not gonna do this, like I said, super hard or super advanced. It's gonna be something easy, and I'm doing the same on the other side. This is a nice way to get a fun and colorful look if you wanna, either maybe you wanna wear it on an everyday, which is what I'm doing today. Even though I'm not going to work, I am going like a bit out and about, so I'm gonna wear something fun and green for that. Oh, I should really take my allergy medicine as well, because my pollen is it is crazy. I am allergic a bit to everything, honestly. When it comes to allergies, I'm a bit allergic to everything, and springtime can be really messy for me, and it's turning into be quite an event. Like if I don't take my allergy medicine, it's downhills fast. And right now the rapeseed blossoms are really blossoming in Sweden, and that is messing up my entire existence. I'm gonna blend this out. I'm gonna see if I can find something that seems somewhat clean, which could be a task. I'm just gonna use this one. This is a Luxie 121 mini tapered. I'm just gonna blend a bit on the edges. Again, not making this super detailed. I just wanna soften the edges a bit. I'm gonna take that same color and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line as well, like 1/3 of the way. And I'm not really gonna make it too dramatic. I want to have most of the drama on the top part of my eyes. And I have a lot of lid space, as you can see, a lot of lid space. If you don't feel like you have as much lid space as me, take the eyeshadow a bit like lower down so it doesn't reach your brows. Because I feel like sometimes people are afraid of making really dramatic looks, but try to make something that fits your eye shape. If your green eyeshadow touches your brows, maybe take it a bit further down next time so that you have some space in between your brows and your eyes. I think that is the best way to make looks not as dramatic, is to have a bit of air between where the bright color ends and where your brows begins. So I am going to use the exact same brush. I'm just gonna clean it a little bit, and we're gonna go into this palette instead. This is the Laila 2. This is the green palette, and I think I'm gonna use this one. It's called Maria. It's like a light, like pistachio. It's like a pistachio ice cream pastel. Wow, that was a very elaborate way of describing that. Maybe I'll actually grab another brush. Let me find something else. Maybe I'll actually use this brush, the one I used for blending. I think that's gonna be a good brush. So let me actually use that. And I'm just gonna pack that on. And a bit on top of the green as well, so we can get a bit of a gradient. And I'm putting that all the way here on the lid and also in the crease. And since this is a pastel, it has a bit of translucency to it, so I can layer it on top of the green here to get it to be a bit of a gradient. And basically covering the rest of my lid and my inner corners with this shadow. I'm also taking some of my brush, and I'm just gonna gently go over this edge with this pastel as well. I'm using a bit of white here to really make this bright and fun. Oh, I should go and get my allergy medicine. I'll do that when I do my mascara. Since this is a bit of a pastel and I want it to show up on the lower lash line, I'm gonna use that same white, and I'm also gonna put that a bit under, like on my lower lash line, and just put that white on top of it. This is a good way of making pastels really pop, because here I just wanted it to be a bit sheer so I can layer it on the top of the green. But here, since I already set my lower lash line, like I set my under eye with powder, I'm just using a bit of this white pen as a foundation so that I can make the pastel really show up here as well. So now I'm taking that Maria shade and I am putting that on top of the white here on my lower lash line. And I'm also blending it a bit over that dark green shadow. You can see it really pops here on top of the white, so that is a good way also if you want to make your looks even more gradient, is to just layer it on top of a white in the inner corner. Actually, I could probably do that as well. I'll use a bit more of the white pen as a foundation in the inner corners here to really get that gradient going. I'm just blending this out with my finger, and now I'm layering that shadow on top to make the gradient a bit more visible. I'm also going to use a bit of the Blossom Palette right here, because this is the first palette I got from Blushtribe, and I'm going to use just a little bit of the white and the black. I'm going to use the white in my inner corners. I love brightening up a look with white. It's one of my favorite things. And I'm going to use a little bit of the black in the absolute outer corner just to bring a little bit of dimension, because I'm not going to be using a liquid liner today. And when I do that, I just put it like here in the absolute outer corner. Why is there a cat here? Harry. And I'm just buffing in the absolute outer corner, bringing it in a bit, and then just dragging it out. I'm just creating a little bit of darkness, nothing intense. I'm not like using a super big brush and doing something dramatic. I'm just bringing a little bit of darkness to the outer corner. You can always layer that green shadow on top of this as well to make that darkness still pull green if you want to. I've done that a lot. Like actually layer this green Sigge on top of this. I think this is going to be the finished look. I'm going to do a little bit of mascara. I need to find something for my lips as well. But I really like how this is looking. And I have only been filming for under 15 minutes when I've been doing this. And if I hadn't been talking with you, this would have been like 10 minutes, if even that. So this is actually quite an easy look. I only used 2 greens and then a bit of a black and a bit of a white. So it's actually pretty fast. Okay, I put some mascara on. I'm wearing the Wee Makeup Mascara and it's so good. I don't need lashes, but I'm still gonna put lashes on because I love lashes. I'm actually gonna put on the Iconic Lights. They're just a little softer, not as like, they're like the Iconics but thinner, so I'm not gonna say natural looking, but they're just not as thick and dramatic. So what is my cat doing? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna find a lippy, I'm gonna blow dry my hair, I'm gonna bra, you know, essential things. I'm gonna fix that and I'll be back and I'll show you how it all looks when it comes together. What lip am I wearing? Okay, so I blow dried my hair, I got some clothes on. I'm gonna use the Nova lip gloss by Lethal Cosmetics. I felt like a brown glossy lip. I'm wearing that KKW liner in Nude 1 as well. Okay, I think that's the finished look. I think I am done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something from this, that you can do such an easy and quick look with just 2 matte colorful eyeshadows, and you can do a fun and easy look that doesn't have to take a lot of time and doesn't have to take a lot of effort. So I really hope you got something from this. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you tomorrow for a new makeup releases. Okay, bye!